Hi guys. Today I got my paycheck for the month and I decided to treat myself, and by doing so I bought Men in Black 3, the DVD edition. It was down from 1995 to 9.99, 50% discount, and I said to myself, why not? And with it I finished Men in Black trilogy. I also have the Men in Black, the first two movies on Blu-ray, and with it now I have the complete collection. So let's do now the unboxing. um, let's see what's inside. Alright. It's not easy as it looks, but we're good to go. Alright. Alright. We're all done. So here it is. Here we have the front. A nice front cover, by the way. Here we have the spine, Men in Black 3. As you can see, Will Smith here, and the Tommy Lee Jones. And this is the back of the DVD. There are bonus features, as you can see: Partners in Time, the creating of Men in Black 3. Gag Reel, Back in Time music video by Pitbull. Runtime is 101 minutes approximately. And alright, let's see what we have inside. Alright, same stuff. Men in Black 3. With white disc with no art whatsoever on it. And here we have some article about other movies that you can buy on DVD and Blu-ray as well. Alright, so here it is. Now my collection is finally completed. I'm gonna watch this movie tonight and I'm gonna enjoy it like I did last time. See you guys.